Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've been feeling a bit off lately. What can I do to maintain good health?
First, ensure a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. Are you eating a variety of these regularly?
I try, but sometimes it's challenging. How about exercise? What's the ideal routine?
Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise weekly. Have you been incorporating physical activity into your routine?
Not as much as I should. What about sleep? How many hours should I aim for?
Adults typically need 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Are you experiencing any sleep-related issues?
I often have trouble falling asleep. Any tips for better sleep?
Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Have you tried these strategies?
I'll give it a shot. What about stress? It's been affecting me lately.
Managing stress is crucial. Consider activities like meditation or deep breathing. Have you explored any stress relief techniques?
Not really. What role does hydration play in maintaining good health?
Staying hydrated is essential. Aim for about 8 glasses of water a day. How much water are you currently drinking?
Probably not enough. What can I do to boost my immune system?
Ensure a balanced diet with vitamins and minerals. Are you consuming enough fruits and vegetables?
I'll work on that. How often should I get a checkup to monitor my health?
Annual checkups are recommended. When was your last comprehensive health check?
It's been a while. What about vaccinations? Are they necessary for adults?
Yes, vaccines are crucial. Are your vaccinations up to date?
I'm not sure. What's your take on supplements? Are they beneficial?
Ideally, get nutrients from food, but supplements can help if there are deficiencies. Do you take any supplements currently?
Occasionally. Is there an ideal body weight I should aim for?
It varies, but maintaining a BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is generally considered healthy. What's your current BMI?
I haven't checked recently. How can I improve my mental health?
Prioritize self-care, seek support if needed, and consider therapy. Have you been experiencing any mental health challenges?
A bit of stress and anxiety. What role does socializing play in maintaining good health?
Social connections are vital. Make time for friends and family. How often do you engage in social activities?
Not as much as I used to. Any advice on avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption?
Quit smoking, limit alcohol intake. Have you been following these guidelines?
I'm trying to quit smoking. What's your opinion on screen time and its impact on health?
Limit screen time, especially before bedtime. How many hours a day do you spend on screens?
Probably more than I should. Lastly, any general tips for overall well-being?
Prioritize self-care, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and seek professional help when needed. Are you currently incorporating these into your routine?
Not consistently, but I'll make an effort. Thanks for the advice.